I love them, y'all. Oh my goodness. Like, this is how long I want my actual locks to be. So I'm really feeling it, y'all. Like, for real. All right, let's get into this video now. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Deszren. Most people call me Des. Feel free to call me whichever. Today, I'm going to be showing you guys how I achieved these distressed kind of butterfly faux locks. I'm really excited to show you guys this video because this is my first time trying anything like this with my hair. I've had box braids before only one time, and that was years ago for prom. Even then, when I got the box braids, it wasn't even me installing them, so I actually did this myself. It was super easy after a meltdown and after a lot of trial and error, but once I got the hang of it, it was really easy to do. Everything that I used in this video will be linked down below, so be sure to check that out. And if you're interested in seeing how I achieved this style, then keep watching. So I'm going to be using a crochet hook. I have my Lulutress water wave hair and my Lulutress locks. These are 24-inch locks. That is a loop, and you're going to need to open up the loop. Y'all, it took me forever to open up this loop at first. It was a real struggle. Anywho, so what you're going to do is you're going to put the crochet hook at the base of your lock through your root. You're going to loop the lock and pull it through. Using the water wave hair, you're going to separate it. And for this one, I actually split some of the curls into two because I started to run out of hair and I need to make sure that I had enough. So with the loop, you're going to pull your own lock through and then tighten it so you make a knot. If this sounds or looks confusing, don't worry, because I do this about 3 or 4 times. So what you're going to do is you're going to have one end shorter than the other of the water wave hair, and you're going to begin wrapping the shorter piece around the base of the lock. You want to wrap it enough time so that it is secure and it looks pretty seamless. It's not going to be perfect. No one's asking for it to be perfect, but you want it to look somewhat neat at your roots. Once you run out of the shorter piece, you're going to take the longer piece and begin wrapping that around, again, overlapping each other all the way down the entire length of the lock or until you run out of the water wave hair. To secure it, all I do is rub it between the palms of my hands, and it actually stays pretty well. So again, you're just crocheting the lock through your roots, taking the loop, pulling your own lock through, tightening it, taking your water wave hair after it's been separated, shorter piece goes around the base of your lock, around and around until it is nice and secure. For some of them, to get more of a butterfly look, I didn't wrap the shorter piece all around. As you can see in this one, is kind of what I did. And then I just began to wrap the longer piece around it, hopefully to get kind of a curl sticking out or something like that. Just to have some pieces that look more distressed than others. For some of my locks, they just really looked butterfly-ish without me really having to do much. It kind of just formed on its own. And then you just palm roll to secure the hair. To get more of the distressed look for some parts of the lock as I was wrapping it, I just would wrap it much looser than the rest of it, and some parts would stick out more. Also too, in this lock that I did, you can see that I ended up putting my finger in between the hair as I was wrapping it, and once I pulled my finger out, it gave it that butterfly look. So there's many different ways to try it, but the finger thing, I didn't really do that on purpose. It kind of just would happen and it would give me the butterfly look. But if that's not an easy way to do for you, then I would just go with combing out some of the curls, some of the water wave, and doing it that way. That was the easiest way for me, was when the water wave hair was tangled up. I didn't really like how it looked at the top. I wanted the top to look sleek for this style, so I just ended up wrapping around that little curl that was sticking out, and that solved that issue. If you have any of the hair that tangled up too much, or hair that you were pulling out as you were twisting it, keep it until you are all done, because some of mine did not wrap all the way down past my lock. I was able to use the excess hair that I had that I was planning on throwing away that was too tangled up together, and using that to finish the rest of the lock so it covered my actual lock. So I'm using this vitamin E oil for scent because it smells so good. It smells like baby powder, but like for adults. I don't know. I'm not using it on my scalp because it's not just pure vitamin E oil. I'm sure if you guys have ever seen this brand in stores and looked at the ingredients, there's like 10,000 different oils in it. And so I don't really want to put that directly on my scalp. I'd rather just be in the hair. And I know that the hair is already pretty shiny in the light, but this is just gonna help with that too. Smell, woo, it smells so good. And in the applicator bottle is just jojoba oil, real vitamin E oil, and shea nut oil. I put some more of that on my scalp, mainly at the top, because that's really like, I oiled my scalp yesterday when I retwisted my hair, but I do plan on putting mousse on top. If you guys hear jingling, it's my cat. But I do plan on putting mousse on top just to smooth the flyaways and the frizz just a little bit, and then I'm gonna wrap my hair up. See guys, I told you it's super easy to do. So if you end up trying this style, I would love to see your results. So be sure to tag me on Instagram if you post any pictures, or just DM me on Instagram. I'll put my app over here somewhere. But yeah, I want to see what you guys come up with, or if you've ever done this style, I want to see what it looked like. One thing I am going to say is to please have patience when you are doing this. If you've never done anything like this on someone else or on yourself, it's gonna take some practice. You're gonna mess up a couple of them before you really get it down. Some of the ones in the back that I have, I don't really like how they look, but these were one of the first ones that I did compared to like the ones up front. But I think they still look really unique and really nice because some of them look completely different than others, but it just all goes very well together. I'm really happy with these results, and I hope any of you that try this style are also happy with your results and are happy with the technique, because I think it's such an easy technique once you get it down. If I can do it, and I've never done anything like this before in my entire life, and it came out really good, you could do it too. I know someone's gonna be asking, I just want to clear the air right now, but the locks themselves are not heavy. They aren't. Like, they're really not heavy. It's just a lot, and it makes it very dense. Also, I'm tender-headed, so I have not had my hair in a style like this in a very long time. Even as a loose natural, I never did tight styles. There are some parts of my head that are tender and that do hurt a little bit, but that's pretty normal, and I'm expecting that to go away within the next day or so because it's already been one day. I just want to let you guys know that I don't want to say that they're completely pain-free. If you're tender-headed, obviously it's something that's gonna hurt, but doing the style, like actually doing my hair, that did not hurt at all. I didn't really start to feel any pain or tenderness until after I was already done with the style. Also, let me know if you guys want to see any videos with this hair. I already have some ideas of what I want to do, but if you guys want to see anything specific, like different styles or different head wrap styles or whatever, I was planning on doing a flexi rod set after a couple weeks. I think that'd be so cute if they were like really curly. So yeah, if you guys have any ideas, definitely let me know because I'll probably not know what to do. Be sure to drop that below as well. That is it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye guys.